it gets upper-regulated when there's a lot of glucose going on. And like I said, we're gonna do a couple more of these. So,
So basically it's trying to get more insulin to make the glucose and.
right, so the job of the beta cells, if it had, a determined job, is to produce insulin so the rest of the body can take glucose in. So it just happens to be taking glucose in via GLUT2, so the more that's in the environment, the more energy it stores, and that energy storage triggers the release of insulin so the rest of the body can get the insulin, get the glucose into the cells.
I'm sorry, can you say that one
Yeah.
more time?
Okay, so.
But exactly the way, it was perfectly
Okay,
fine, I
I'll
was just
try.
writing
No,
something
no,
else.
it's
and
okay,
I
I'll
couldn't-
try, I'm saying the
You
same.
said produces insulin so the rest of the body can take the glucose in, but a little
Yeah.
bit more.
Okay, so the beta cell in the pancreas takes glucose in via GLUT2. It has GLUT2, it's sitting there, GLUT2 just takes in glucose. When there's glucose in the bloodstream, it's going to hit GLUT2 and it's going to go in to the beta cells of the pancreas. When it's in there, it's going to go from glucose to pyruvate to acetyl-CoA to the Krebs cycle to oxidative phosphorylation, and it's going to make a lot of ATP. So the beta cell is going to have a relative change in ATP is going to go up and ADP is going to go down. When that ratio happens, when the ratio of ATP to ADP looks like this, it triggers other changes in the cell so that the insulin gets released into the bloodstream. It's easy for us to anthropomorphize and say, oh, the beta cell's thinking, oh, so I just made a lot of energy, which means that now everybody else needs to make energy too. And if that makes sense, you can think about it like that. But that's not, it doesn't have a brain. It just has signals. When the ATP ratio goes up, there are 3 or 4 different chemical things that happen between, oh, the ATP ratio is high, we're going to release insulin by fusing the vesicles with the cell membrane, right?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Oh, it totally makes sense, it was more about the insulin, like you said, the job of the beta cell is to produce insulin so that,
Oh, so that the rest of the body can uptake glucose
Glucose.
from the bloodstream.
okay.
Question?